Why is machine learning not yet picking up in industrial manufacturing? Are processes too complex? Hi, my name is Tim. I'm a mechanical engineer by training and then went into the world of machine learning and computer science, and this is the first video of a Mythbuster series on machine learning in industrial manufacturing. If we look at manufacturing, we have always been at the forefront of technology. We have developed, we were the first people to use supercomputers outside of academia and aerospace. We invented PLCs, which are now the heart of modern process control. And for some reason, machine learning is not yet fully picking up in our field. However, if we look at machine learning as a technology, people have used it to translate texts between languages, to estimate the default risk of loan seekers, to recommend the next item to purchase in online shopping. But for some reasons, it is not yet fully picking up in industrial manufacturing. And one of the reasons why that is so is that we, as manufacturers, have always been using modern tools such as data analytics or Six Sigma. So what exactly is the difference between data analytics and Six Sigma and machine learning? Well, data analytics is the exploratory approach of looking into data. It involves setting up an automated process of collecting data and then manually by hand analyzing that data. If we look at Six Sigma, we rely on hand-picked values that are picked in a predefined cycle, the DMAIC cycle you may or may not have heard of. So what exactly is the difference between data analytics and Six Sigma and machine learning? Well, ultimately, there are three tools that are just different tools in our toolkit of modern analytics methods. Data analytics is an exploratory approach. It involves setting up an automated process to collect data and then manually analyzing that data to find patterns in it. If we look at Six Sigma, we have a process that involves setting up a predefined cycle, defining parameters based on expert knowledge, and then measuring those values based on that expert knowledge. And potentially, because we always rely on a human expert here, it is biased. And then machine learning as the third tool is an explanatory approach of collecting and automatically finding patterns in data. So machine learning goes beyond an exploratory approach that is data analytics and is an explanatory approach, and it goes beyond the limited and small data set that is Six Sigma and is an exhaustive approach. So in conclusion, machine learning is just another screwdriver in this set of tools that we've always had, and it doesn't necessarily want to replace one of the other methods, but maybe in the past, for some of the screws, we've just been using the wrong screwdriver. If you're already using machine learning and are thinking about potential applications, or if you have any questions or comments, I'm looking forward to reading them here or via email.